Now what to say?
Nyamiadum paibo na unso e.
Nyamiadum me ho ye pa.
Ano pay me pay outfit no.
Na so so dey efe. So what for the efe pa. Very nice outfit.
Oh, thanks so much.
Efe pa. Do permanent insa no fe.
That's menu. That's pa.
Comment ça santé Kotoko coach na nka se mia ni ho no pay. Ana menka se papa na kofa asema bo se die you. Though it's an open secret, but normally, on time to say your coach is near no Tikrumano. Omoka. I don't know if you are Omutikrum and to me feel okay, or say a problem in him. It's me kind, dear, and knew about some name becano. But it seems and I brought funny there. I'm about with the infrastructure, Mohuno baby Nintino. I'm not to compare, dear. Only said no. As a football more yet, dear, but more dear no from. And therefore, Commercial Sante Kotoko, our head coach, Tinkler, and now on the South Africa, our radio station be from Metro FM, South Africa, on our interview. In fact, interview no can send me bring and person from Bako near Dimun Como, probably a feature na de kono. Yakan na ni in Bako ana ye din komo at the court. Na senior beya at your phone call Casamina Maka, some dear son and Untino. Me pesa me born a voice no na kakum
yeah papa yenja prophet man yeah papa Ebenezer yenja na no why ni kwaku no oh father
yentie Kumasa Santeko the coach Tinkler na sam na okoka akofa nsem pi dia ba no no bia meka se me na meka nsem ne dia na no.
I think, the modern game is demand now, or the expectations of all club owners is success. And obviously that is what the club wants. And that's also what I want. I came here to be a successful coach. I came here to try and get this club qualify again for the Champions League. But the club is well aware of the challenges that they face, both financially, also in terms of infrastructure, looking to try and create an environment that is more professional. We've had to deal with a lot of indiscipline at the club. And I think a lot of that stems from a number of factors. And the club is aware of that, So I think I will be judged, obviously, on results and performance. But at the same time, the club is well aware of the difficulties that we face.
Okay. Enti Tinkler sama okan tintin na me twane fua papa ne say yes ono obi aya adwen say at the end of the day say yes coach bi aya ade park ne so resort no o say no na odimi so ye na adwuma wi a Kotoko fan bia ho ana ode be judge no na so football the modern game na che say ansa na park ne so resort ne be ba no start free baby. Also buy a dear back one say ha Kotoko pa financial challenges. Or this is some a problem team. Or this what they compare the other teams or more Kotoko for more Africa ha. Kotoko say kasam from too much. After they are touching me infrastructure. Baby a Kotoko players see on be jina training. I prepare or more kwakobo. Or sing koyin. Now, the worst of it all, I am indiscipline. I'm indiscipline. Team no. Danwa sorry. Fahano namha. Asa sanya ma wenu ninano. Ono oba no very observant. And who say a house and take out Jude. Papa you won't cook as a man is angieka.
Rich unim. Edikan. Me highly disappointed in Eric Tinkler.
Samum.
Me ye highly disappointed in him. Say so be disappointing me Eric Tinkler. Rich, first of all, yenim the situation at hand. And yes, obi ni mo. And yes, I try see behave to say the proverbial ostrich. And yes, yenim some problems in now. Eric Tinkler in person. Me jitum minim. Me appreciating where he's coming from. Virtually, the entire life, coaching wa coach of South Africa, Maritzburg, Cape Town, Orlando Pirates, Sekukuna. I mean, these are the clubs are virtually wa coaching. And on coaching outside South Africa, Now, over South Africa standard, the level of South African football, in terms of infrastructure, in terms of almost sikasem BBR, we come no near them. It's a fact. But also the point, and I say, a fact, untimin deny, yembe omu baby are. Inti yenim level. Before Eric Tinkler ever Ghana, is he trying to tell us that Kotoko approach no rich? One Google about Kotoko. But also at my point, what one research about Kotoko.
Maybe he did.
No, good. Inti hona meba no oni bibi about Kotoko. Kotoko nana suddenly obey. Before Obeba research about Kotoko, extensive research. Oni baby a Kotoko body matches. Oni baby a Kotoko training. Bibi about Kotoko ansa na o agree say Obeba be adwuma no. Na onim wa ma me drew Ghana hansa na Oba be the situation at hand. Sure, I can tell you as a matter of fact. Onim. Rich. Asma me catch we. Me speaking on authority because ye nyame adom local game no die atua mu bi enim. Unim say Tinkler ba no hu. Onya obi owo South Africa. Or ye agent. I Tinkler oni agents mu pay. Ema nipa me catch ne say chairman. Kotoko na wo kone Ghana na wo kono. Mr. Show kasa yie udi. Ema nipa ne advice say na to the extent say or can infrastructure here na everything like I want me. Nipa ne kan sa ne mani nyina atrɛ ne sɛ bema unim baabi a ofri ba na unim baabi a wokɔ minimum temperament a ukra na emom hu kro na wokom no na hu sɛ o grant interview a enya bibia na obɛka ema ne gitumu rich pass when your point no me ma revelation back ema ne gitumu adan ntina rich everything like ebaba bedru yi no why on the Kotoko media interviews upon interviews me boy. Since our problems your mo bia so.
Maybe your mom misano.
Debi meba. Omo misano. The point is Tinkler himself environment no wom no. Na dwe ne say e ha de. Sanse no so say obie ania. It will be a problem. Na mum so free ha no ye interview of South Africa. Ne refi say your global village. E be pie. Rich. It is completely wrong. Look. Issue of infrastructure. Me no nya ya adwere say and now for Kotoko board. Omo de friend no 10-year development plan aba. Yemmo Kotoko board aba so ena no pay. Rich, may I highlight on some of the key issues are a wom. Omo adwe so better tackle. Rich odim ba ko hu. Am say Adekoja project. Before you be here 2026-2027 season. I'll say omo aye hu adwuma. Na almost side be eka ho. Year 2026-2027 no. Na almost wie ehonom. Rich patch what point na say. I was say bomb abaso as part of their 10-year development plan na make ho. Almost vision and mission statement na me che bi mudi ache wi. Rich, o dia no to nchen a. Kotoko board hi. Asa me ate ase say by 2028. Rich Omo be make sure say His Royal Majesty me na ye rotum for say to the second opim so. Omo be make sure say omo nya stadium aye Kotoko na stadium 35,000 capacity. Rich anya commendable. So say about mo abaso do omo nya but at least a part of their vision and mission statement. But also ultimately and everything cloud by no Sanya man ye bie so de achewa o ya aware of it. Enye se wonim ay adwuma wa ba mu foforo. Otie se wa ye adwuma na che and still sa challenges no eba. And I all highlight on them and come any problem. But before you came on board, you knew all these challenges. Otie and I buy. Right. Mejetum.
Enti Jude me pacho. Me musawi.
Matia mini am pacho.
So are you saying say Asante Grompeni for engaging no. Omo ka chen say openi. It is South Africa now on the infrastructure is very good. What I say? But Kotoko now obejeni there. Yeah, infrastructure no. So how to compare the South African infrastructure and the no form. And papa ni tum then oba Ghana. And oba also did the same in common. Is that what you are saying?
Rich patron made. Meba multimedia. Na minim bibia about multimedia. Minim say multimedia bosume so abrekra waketu abefam minim say so in akwaye dem method akwa 26 near tua mo kameboa sanity minim multimedia brand and I'm saying him the challenges e wo ho so enti okono one cycle who say in as much as a big institution no just like any other institution and on the challenges Rich what you
no I'm saying that is it a fact
yes
is it a fact say omo engage opinion omo catch any say yeah had the infrastructure na bia wunyan to say now was South Africa is that a fact
Rich Patroti me see
and your fact there me the coach na who be wrong with it the current state of Asante Kotoko
yes
and na yebisa say coach who continue Kotoko eduba no what are some of the challenges who coach who what's the infrastructure Jude me na say him say infrastructure is
no when name there be
Adakwata project we dey Jude ye honest to yourself
Rich when name your
Adakwata project ye can say ne intimi nwi da
Rich Patroti
yani kroma na Mariano Barato
of course me kaisa issue no
how many years
but Rich Patroti
still the problem is there
Rich there's a problem there's a problem with Devlin Kotoko however Nhyira have problems so you knew it before you came on board Richie me and try and create the impression say as a Eric Tinkler Air Ghana no one club now no ba befano no nim club ni state onim say club no baby or training air problem Rich before
a fact it's a
fact yes and that's what I'm telling you say there is a person Eric Tinkler on to deny one agents mu pay utie ye Ghanaian or South Africa Hamza is someone nyina fa nsem nipa ni said that advice ni say bema okono Mr. say unim Kotoko situation shena who grant interviews one go about their training grounds and those challenges the person advised him or man some brotherly advice Eric Tinkler editu beyond that menye sure say Kotoko companion 40 Kotoko board here with almost level almost nim there any the business is almost astute businessmen no rich kwa pay coach na coach you know be one vision and mission statement so no meboa remember say this is our plan project na man project na man these are the challenges you buy no Tinkler ewo ho ana the entire de wo bansunie meba woni ana lawyer Safuduku e ka say reason tia Kotoko in for brony coach no to instill discipline meboa and Eric Tinkler ba no me no nyanso ya we say oti players bi o ha Tinkler ba no enye say wa say so omu so much do omu afa training na hodo mu no ntin wo ajo omu kwan o players bi o ha me no nyanim say indiscipline and to buy no report ni do say players we I can't want him ye be more quiet. Rich, and already you knew the problems and may try there. You are dear now, crying. Now, so and you and a fatire. Rich, your interview about Kotoko. What are the challenges about Kotoko? Now, before the interview, Nimpon Rich, my name is Wasem. And we are sure, say, Eric Tinkler, before the interview, no, for now, on then was signed a contract with Kotoko. Me know TikTok live at Kotoko players brands manager David Obinyako. I can't say Kotoko players say untimi say Kotoko outfit me boa. Fan kosa o TikTok sa na ma no free na ekono. Ya bramo. Contract over sign no. Certain clauses will be enshrined within the contract. And you may be o wa untimi nye. Obeso ye interview. Uti. Interview can before obeye no. Only Kotoko obeji green light meboa Tinkler opeso interview why mo na person interview South African media outlet okay no problem interview no almost say about day utie basically about meba Kotoko challenges any niema bebre ye beto say Tinkler we no okwa betimi aka ho asem reach asem ni you but we so dia untimi nka asem because me sure say South African media outlet no sorry, Anna Pekupena no fair Tinkler na Tinkler me kokasa. At least on the booking a day or two, meboa. Rich, before Beko interview, no, on the camera no questions are ye pesi ye bisaw. Obeka tro say question A, question B, question C. Mu bisamia. Me answer. Enti me ma mo nko.
Based on the contract,
based on the contract.
Asante Kotoko.
Perfect. Tisani money now because Oba they are from orientation.
You see, Jude. Unsa na wo kan na agree. But until say, me no na but ye ni na ye be hu bi. Say papa no ne contract ne it's been enshrined in his obi and say me say wuntimi gani ade no. I think that papa na say na kind. There's nothing wrong with it.
Rich, asem na make you now.
That is the current state of Kotoko.
I'm saying say to you.
Asem me buy you know. Me Tinkler me buy you know. Ade am hu say baby Kotoko training enye. Jude utwe. Etu nim say baby Kotoko play training. No problem.
Asem make you na me say.
Enti are you saying say Tinkler me bo? Think and you see
yes.
Asame buy no. Mate a lot of Kotoko fans are confused. Oh, I say if you come
of course.
But papa ne dey kwa bonten.
Yes, also Amuja.
Which is wrong.
No, Rich. They are right. Jude, it is not wrong.
Jude, and
they are right. The supporters are right.
Make us say.
Yes.
Asame papa ne kan. Why na ti Ghana ha? Why na ti Ghana ha? Papa na sam da o kan emu ba akokra o dandro.
Rich, and I make us somebody. No, Rich, Rich, obi anim say it's an open secret. Into cast me bo me o multimedia here. And to be an interview me on one met me account once man. Also say in as much that's why he says say in as much as a multimedia, I am near me ya, near my own care. You just would love to work with them. The working conditions are perfect, but it's an institution on also the challenges. So I say, but means me konye interview. Na me interview na. Na me care about the problems are multimedia. No, the bit can say multimedia just like any other institution. They have their challenges. But the point is that challenges and Penny from you said this is the vision and the mission statement. They are working towards it. So and now maybe because they say no. Unim yaka Brandon, And your Brandon asem yaka. See yaka Brandon asem. Brandon asem yaka no. And Tinkler, one Kotoko a subject of ridicule. One who South African media no. Kotoko is a big club and your ordinary club. It is South African media no. Definitely South story why and I say interview. Bra, a better trend or hopper. Shed the negativity apart from South Africa. Your other media outlets almost about Pekes Adiano. And they would want to discuss it because anything about Kotoko is big. Just like how to folk. Every issue about them is a news case. So it is wrong in Tiana heard the picture about Asante Kotoko. For now, outside media, we may bad picture about them. Say not you and the palm penny for us here. Anything like one cancer project now was no. Oh my attention about the free show. Rather, Sanyama we na the negativity and the press ebano. And I know the man for besomo. Eba ya some who many anom has for and they are right because I got to cannot be church omo. Cause social media because how to folk that's a nice project I say I'm no anymore about Poppy man. Kotoko the betrayal rival has uti. Tinkler buy no per contract minimum say Kotoko betrayal rival has. Usi ani baby also utimi se no udi you see unim the project
me penko wona o de abasisia no da bia me ka sem we yen coaches yes set you up to fail coach ni ban how they share the contract me ko league shahas mame meanwhile baby a player now so onko se no tio player now wo dia share me coach contract mu say go and win the league fameko Africa any ade no baby a players no fundamentals baby obe training who born no bokra akopon no park oni
Rich o banaya well nanka all right no Rich meba
is in the fact that meba
you knew before you came on board
Jude
bro meet you
mejitum ebi kran oba oh yes Asante Kotoko obi ogogo yes Asante Kotoko etrenu adakojachi then no agogo okay almost facility ni blah 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 and a picture and there is a video then on one castle fly from South Africa abedu Ghana wakwada ko dachi training grounds other than see park it's Ghana players in training
Rich South Africa to Ghana
that does not mean say on to me can so
can you rate Matwas rate everything any nipa wo ha Tinkler whatever information or about Adekojachi obenya and any top class coach oh yeah worth his salt unim di obey and yes obe 50% or sign contract your name bebra or bas background checks no and you knew all these problems before you came on board so don't create the impression as if say as what baba beton ade bi mu a Oh, but now it is wrong.
Menya sure so crazy impression.
No, that is
he's talking reality.
Reality. No. It is to say the baby I will hide in a circle, but they say a Jumana Nkoya, Uti. A Jumana Nkoya. These are the problems I'm about to. Hence, people should understand me. That is the impression he's creating. It is wrong. Wait, let's tell him Uti. Adeko Jatino. It is a answer a man for the Abba Delega, Tio. Adeko Jatino. If it is a anete, and a Kotoko Abba, and you say, Debbie.
Challenge, you know.
Saying you say, Bambaso, Adeko Jatini, I can, and a Kotoko training grounds, there's our problems. I want since time immemorial, and see the Abba African crew, since time immemorial, Uti. Herbert Mensah, Hansita Smith, Mode Kotoko Africa finals. That's our problem. We were and Smith and Money about the yet Tomoko Africa finals. What are we talking about? Rich, men Kasa Mem Yen football no agree. I agree. You drew love line, not just about pitch, so and before pitch, so Benya results. So Mijitum say, yeah, on your be which board now appreciate him, penny for appreciate it, and no more taking those steps. So let's commend them. Sadia normal can someone take initiative or one share. Then we can bust them. And to think like you are aware of all these problems. So why create the impression as a wouldn't be an aside wabatum and then a Kotoko subject of ridicule? Because we're my dear. Now we say yen stadium. Yen training grounds are make yen because me a Kotokoba, make no cratchel. Richuti Kotokunya Sanya Mana, a born wadintia. Brandon I can ask them no. Sir Otis say Man City the richest club in the world. Real Madrid, the richest club in the world. Manchester United, the richest club in the world. You can. And you say the secret with a bank account to us and Nieko. Uti. You're for club now. You're funny near my Nejapadia. And you can say club way and the richest club in the world. Kotokonim so here, Sanya. Secondly, we are no free honor. Say oh to player na bet me aton aboard I am stadium dey be made tremo na mo mama adwene na so munim dey ntia out me who player free North Africa obi o nim ball no mbo nchai Kotoko player na has play o but obeti say player na turn $1 million $2 million sa player ne sa age corner no obebe Kotoko ne has obi on so turn no but turn dey $200,000 $300,000 rich unim dey ntia because one say you to player yes, facilities our development idea player, investment our you. You're running in any a player no see Kasem. What you say? Yet take his name in her and maybe no Orlando Pirates about the fact as Kotoko player, Sonny Akuba. Assassin Dr. Kwamiche and an impending for say Kotoko $500,000. Orlando Pirates to bet you $300,000. No more pa Kotoko Kotoko Semenji. Unim the Orlando Pirates here. Let Tomu baby Kotoko any training. Oh, who says Sonny Akuba na get you and do 3,000 cities in that time not around 2,500 cities. And I'm saying what? As I'm better money I can. Na mo player na mo kakra. Some na get you and do even 3,000 cities in po. Secondly, mo training grounds kra na mo training kra. It is bad. And investment by na go player no mo pesa 500 no. Okay. And minim. Ye gitum say ansa na betimi ato players in po aboden ato ni ye. Na say do the next level no. The basics, we need to get it right. Which infrastructure? A cardinal, very key, very salient. Yen free so. Yen say man. Yen say was see players well paid. Yen so see it maintaining team for at least 2-3 seasons. Now coach yes I be born. But there are problems no. You knew it before you came on board, and it was the reason in here don't buy said.
Guess I totally disagree with Jude. But the fact that Ghanaians and Kotoko already knows about the issue, that doesn't mean I shouldn't say because for how long will Kotoko continue to face these issues? Okay, guest and now this message at the Abba. I must say, good morning, Richardo. If there are challenges in our, I say there are challenges in our part of the world, let's open up and talk about it so that the duty bearers can act on them. But must we measured as well? Mentioned until the message no.
So we must be measured. When we are talking, we must be measured. So let's open and talk about the problems in our part of the world. But we must also be measured as well.
Oh, okay. Ubetimi aka but ka sebi hu kwan a obefa so a obeka na de no yo said you obeka ne bia waka na anye za. Okay. Minya parking 8 show no US. As a Ghanaian don't like truth. No wonder the country isn't progressing in all fronts. When was the last time Asantokoro won the league? Chairman,
interviews and
Tinkler, but before breaking news a FIFA eba and it's a team from Sekawela. You're banning almost from registering players. I'm yet to read the full verdict now FIFA diaban, but according to the breaking news eba and say FIFA banned Karela United from registering players for 3 registration period. Okay. Nti amena maye ina fi my reason ntia ediwe na but Tinkler asema ko kan yi.
What the Tinkler see asema kan?
I see.
No, he fa no kan.
South Africa media outlet from Metro FM. Let me check the yeah, Metro FM South Africa.
But all voice,
of course, my voice. Means I'm voice in be my okay. We did a popular request by Fiifi Manfred. Okay, interview.
I think the modern game is demand now, or the expectations of all club owners is success, and obviously that is what the club wants, and that's also what I want. I came here to be a successful coach. I came here to try and get this club qualify again for the Champions League, but the club is well aware of the challenges that they face, both financially, also in terms of infrastructure, looking to try and create an environment that is more professional. We've had to deal with a lot of indiscipline at the club, and I think a lot of that stems from a number of factors, and the club is aware of that, so I think I will be judged obviously on results and performance, but at the same time the club is well aware of the difficulties that we face.
Okay.
Rich, we're in your problem. There is nothing untoward about what everything Klagoka.
You know that.
There be anything did that. Which sometimes say, say, analyze your same. That's why I asked for you to play it for me again, because I wanted to listen to the diction of Eric Tinkler. See, I'm sure, and in your question, I'm sure he was asked about where Kotoko are as a club, or by what are the good things. I'm sure he probably has spoken about the good things. And so what's in the 2 key things that he kept on saying is that the club is well aware. Essentially, he's mentioned these are the things that are there. And okay, say Kotoko problem or as a club, and you say a bad team. Me I should say the South Africa fan guys a Kotoko cranny himself first. I want to book CAF champions to get Jibinia there. Now then maybe that's why you say that in the last few years you have problem kakra, your infrastructure problem be I see sorting it out. I thought there be a financial constraint, so now I say no na hoodie down kakra, but the club is well aware, management is well aware, and we are trying to devise ways the best solve the problem. Rich, that is the most important thing. I don't think that Eric Tinkler has gone overboard, and I say he has overstepped. He has not. And now there was an interview, Rich. Yebisa Jabi Alonso about Chelsea team, and what he saw as problems from outside. Or say, talent's not Chelsea for what they normal work, but talent's not enough. We know this, and it is good that's not clubbing him. There is nothing wrong with that. Rich has to focus for, and then Kotoko AC dying Krana said Danny 200. The friend is saying floors come make us you're crazy 600 floors. There will always be banter. It is not what everything like Okoka and Ebema has for BBD Kotoko from Poa. Their coach in can he means well. Yes, MAN starts necessary pressure to coaching so and intense supporters against the man. Yeah. He is saying that as a club, these are the challenges, and those are the challenges of Kotoko. hey now one ka wadru ho asema wo one ka we ya
me nam hey
one ka ya de we nya wadru
me ya
yeah
man can't job I don't me.
It was a simple harmless interview. I can understand that Jude makes a salient point about protecting the integrity and image of Asante Kotoko. But this is different from the example he sought to make. Say, okay, we had more multimedia, now we can send money for multimedia. I can tell you some of the ills of the company that we can do well in. I can mention, there's nothing wrong with it. I can tell you for a fact. I can tell you, no, and yes, sir, Crampo, and yes, sir. Rich, when you are working with a company like multimedia, with respect to saying in your manner, there is strict corporate rules that guides you. It's rich. Unche, a different company. Na ebia nipa na ye bibi media company wa ye bibi no afane ho but it's a downside on multimedia. Multimedia is a perfect company. But that doesn't mean say that is it. Ebia Grandpa, our clients have even told us say, oh, the way your cost of advertisement boarding. If somebody me say yeah, I think say other companies no. Oh, they be 500 cedi nya ko be on beji ba the first new problem kakra with your fixed amount here. Share away you bit me flexible. No management member will tell me that I'm putting the name of the company to distribute. Unless the management member doesn't understand what progress is. So Eric Tinkler has said the things that he knew, and it's important for Asante Kotoko to take that and make sure say Omadi Nkomo and we'll take it from there. Mr. We Kotoko nia. We to free.
Kind coach
yeah fly be share has for be share on be twa we are doing our job. He said it. But beyond that, as a fan, that's why you need the analysis of the
okay. Union Practical Institute. Let me be lines to the number so much to me abba 0322083581 835